Yo, what's going on, guys? It's another video with me, RC Breaks, and in this video we are going to be showing you how to use editing for Wondershare Filmora. I will link Wondershare Filmora in the description, and also if you can't do that, just search up on on Chrome or whatever, Wondershare Filmora, and it'll come up. And just click the first one, and it should say wondersharefilmora.net or something like that, and it'll say free download, and you can get this. And basically, this is an editing software. Shout out to Tay, because he's the one who suggested me to do this. Alright, so you guys want to know how to, let's say you want to know how to edit a video properly, like I did with one of my videos. You want to do something, okay. So first, let's say you've recorded, so you've recorded it already, okay? So you've recorded it, it's good, it's on your computer somewhere. I don't know where, probably somewhere. So you import your media files, and it's on your computer. Let's say this one. Okay? Oh, that's just a test, but whatever. And, so you got this, you add it, okay? You click the little add button, and it will add it to your computer. You can make it shorter or longer. No, I mean only shorter. You can't make it longer unless you shorten it and then make it longer. So you can transition, like, so you can make like music and make it shorter and longer. I'll get to that in a minute. So this is where you add all your like videos and stuff onto there. You just click add. It's just this, easy as pie. Next, you go on to music. So this is where you can listen to music. So I could add this, and it would just play the music. You guys can't hear it, don't know why. And anyway, so you've done that. You've added your music. You can also import music using File, Import Media Files, and it'll probably be in Downloads or this PC. There's loads of songs here. So you've done that. You can add a text credit. So this, let's just click it. If I click play, it will add like the end of your video, let's say, maybe, probably, hopefully. Yeah, I will. And then this, you can add. So let's say we add this. I don't know why. And it would just be like, it would just be something like that. Easy. And then you could add this as well. So it could be like, and then whatever you want there. And then overlay as well. You could just add this for the whole video. Just like that. Move that all to the edge. And look. Look at that. Easy video. You can add one picture. 2 pictures. Make it longer. Make this longer. And this and longer. Maybe like add more videos, like File, Import Media Files. Oh god. File, Import Media Files. And you could add like this one as well. So it's like boom. Easy as that. Easy as that. And then, we're not even done. We've got the elements. Jesus, we've got everything. You see? This can be like in the middle, you can add that. Like, I don't know, Fortnite Battle Royale for the start. And then, God, let me just drag this. I don't know. It's gonna be like the start, I don't know. Like, and it could be like Fortnite Battle Royale at the start. Then you can move this a bit, I don't know. Something like that. And then you could add flipping, I I don't know, split screen, whatever. You got everything. So you could be like, oh, that looks bad, okay, whatever. And anyway, and then, when you're finished, you click export. First you click, so you have to sign in to your YouTube. And then you have to, okay, so I need to explain. So because you need to register. So when you register, you need to get a license email. So go onto YouTube, guys. Go onto YouTube and search up how to get free license email and registration code for Wondershare Filmora. Just search that up. Easy. And you've done that. When you've done that, so this wouldn't say register anymore. You go, so you finish that. So the last thing, you click export. It'll take you to this. You can change the title, description, so tag. So if someone wants to search it to find it easier, like, I don't know, easy, done. You change the quality. So 1080p, you probably want, you can get that. It's gonna be more space the longer the video is, like 720p. Easy as that. Film animation. So you can change the category. So like you can do that if you want to, and you can change private and public. And then when you've done that, you click export. I'm not gonna click it. So it'll go to my YouTube channel. And then when you've done that, you've created the video. You don't even have to do anything. It'll just take it straight to your YouTube channel, and you're done. Alright. Thank you guys for listening to the video. I see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.